Okay, so I'm going to do some form as a canvas pour using resin, epoxy resin, and I've created these abstract-like shapes. At first I was going for a sunflower and I screwed it up terribly, and then I thought that the whole piece could just be very abstract with. So we have these that I used. I bended with wire, and you'll see how I'm going to incorporate them shortly. Canvas. This is a flat canvas, so it's going to be really, it's not as durable. It's on MD. And here I have the colors that we're going to incorporate. I'm not going to get into all of them. I'm not going to describe them. You'll see them as I go. All right. Resin up, and let's see how this is looking right here. This is a real pretty violet color. And we got this very bluish gray, kind of like a gangrene kind of color. Very. I didn't take into account that these powdered pigments, a little goes a long way, and I've used a lot. So let's see how that turns out. I'm interested to see. And I have a very, how would you call it, pink pastel mixed. Only poured very little bit of the white because I'm only going to use it to accent. And I want to reserve as much resin as possible, unless I just really have to make sure I really don't. you.